Smoking on a CIG, I got ADHD, yeah, fuck around me. Here, I bolt in, but I'm just coasting. Take your souls in, I'ma leave you in the ocean. Oh man, I'm feeling like I'm golden. Getting double head like getting sucked by both the oceans. Tired of everybody fake flexing when they posting. They get busted out and act like everybody owe them. I think my next song I'ma drop, I'ma roast them. They know that it's over when I come for the throat, and I dissect them, gotta have venom. Bear with me when I change direction. Write songs with a suicide selection. Change the gears to a new dimension. Kill a poet, just to outgrow it. She get below it, just so she can blow it. Don't try to be heroic, you fucking wrote it. Keep focused when you try to beat what I've already spoken. I keep growing, but unnoticed, I'm floating, but still the lowest. Check out my motive on my opponents. Squash you like a locust, it's a bonus. ADHD, I got ADHD. Start with an A, make it take a plan B. Skip C, go to D, I'm disturbing the peace. I got ADHD, who been hating on me. Shout out to the ones that been waiting on me. RIP to the homies that been fading on me. Catch it, these rappers, no one escaping on me. I am the master here for rapture. Find me a raptor so I can go capture. I am the smasher, serve you on the platter. I go after these hamster ass rappers, and that's a factor. Don't make me go faster. Turn you into Casper and leave you in laughter. Hit you with a tractor, leave you in the pastor. You are a disaster, the shit that I mastered. Think I'm a caster, they know I'm a bastard. Turn you into plaster after you harasser. You an actor, I done switch chapters, make them all scatter. Stop that chatter, I'm coming at you, batter up, I'm batting at you. ADHD, I got ADHD. Start with an A, make her take a plan B. Skip C, go to D, I'm disturbing the peace. I got ADHD. Disturbing the peace, I'm jerking my meat, then burning the sheets and surfing the sea. Occurring to me, I'm hurting police, I'm serving this beef, I'm cursing the beat, alerting the king, I'm flirting with B. As you can see, get you down on your knees. The only way you can get up is if you find the key. I think that there's something really fucked up and wrong with me. Yeah, bitch, I know I got ADHD. I don't fuck with the rappers, man, they all pussies. I'm out.